Yo, what's up? Good morning, Thailand. Good morning, Chiang Mai. Today we're gonna have a photo shoot.
We're having a photo shoot with Sweetescape. We're gonna have a Chedi Luang temple.
Swimming all day. We don't care about nothing. Okay, we care about eating food too. We're gonna order some food. Mama's making breakfast. What do you like, Joshie?
Bacon.
What do you like, Jasmine? What do you like, Jacob? Bacon. Breakfast is served.
Yes? What are you eating?
Hey, weekend at Bernie's. People are sleepy around here. I'm gonna go outside and we'll get our grab cab and I'm gonna have them drive up to the front. Got that driver 4 minutes away, 3 minutes away. Gates here?
Here?
No, we could get out here and walk. We just got to Old City. We're gonna go find our photographer right now. We're gonna go find this temple. Go ahead, go, mommy. We just wrapped up our photo shoot.
This is our photographer, Terry from Sweetescape.
Now we're gonna go 7-Eleven, get some drinks. Let's go. Got me that green tea. Everyone happy? Juice. Just got to Nick's restaurant. Kids are hungry. Let's go, let's go. Whoa, look at it's a super playground.
Daddy?
Come over here and take off your shoes right here.
Okay. And go there?
Yeah, yeah.
Wrong, you see bright lightning.
Already memories, now I just don't really care what you feel, what you feel, what you feel.
Look at me in the circle.
Shame on me, thinking it was just a phase. Like ooh, got me like ooh. Made it fun, recognizing your mistakes. Like ooh,
What's my one here?
now I brought my worst behavior, throwing a party in my head. Yeah, prayers from all my saviors, just let it rain all over me, over me, over me, over me, over me.
Look at these hungry kids. spider on there.
Yoshi,
I don't know what to do.
you stay here.
Let's go. That was fun. Next restaurant, highly recommend if you have kids. Let them stay here all day.